Hi everyone, back again. I was thinking I'd like to make some train tracks, but I don't have any of the material to make the actual train tracks out of the wood. So I thought we'd make it out of paper. So, because I've actually got some trains here, or you might want to make a road for the cars. So what I've got is I've got some recycled paper here. Now you can either use it that big if you want, or you can rip it and make your very own roads. That's a bit of fun. And then what we'll do is we'll join it on. So I'll put them on the ground, and then with a bit of sticky tape, Luna's here relaxing. Put some sticky tape down. Yes, you like the road? And sticky tape it down. So just putting it on the end. There we go. The other thing you can do if you want to is you can use some recycled paper from the recycle bin, and you can actually cut it if you want to. It's up to you if you want to use some scissors, have a little practice cutting it. You might need someone to help you with that one, but if you don't want to do that, you can do this part by yourself. You get it in the middle, and one hand goes down and the other hand goes the other way. Lots of fun. There we go. I quite like doing that. And then I'm going to make this road turn. Let me bring this over so you can see it a bit more. And turn a corner. Just need one piece of sticky tape there, and then it's going to go just one piece of sticky tape. Well, it's going to go all over the shop. It's going to go back and forward. There we go. And just come over here so you can see a bit better. There we go. I might make it see if it can come back up and join. There we go. And have this one straight. Make sure that one's nice and straight there. And I might make it go around. Now you don't have to make it actually go in a circle, going into a one where it actually joins up. You might want to keep going all the way around. And sometimes it's quite fun if you have a stool. You might want to go through the stool and have the train track or the car track going through the stool. That's always a lot of fun. So I'll just a couple more. I'll stick that one on there. Like that. And then this one over here. Like that. And up to the last one. Right. We're ready for the cars. There we go. So, you can either have your trains on it, or I might have cars on it as well. So it can be a road or it can be a train track. It can be both. Doesn't really matter. And I'll get my other train tracks too. Now, I've decided, often what happens is when you've got a road or a car, you go past farms. So I thought I'd bring out some of my animals. And so sometimes what you might want to do is you might want to put some grass on a piece of paper. So grass is a green, so I'm going to choose a green, and I'm just going to have a bit of a colour there. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's nice. Bit of grass, bit of fly there. Put that over there, and then I've got my animals. I put my animals in the farm, and so they can watch as the trains go around. Fantastic. And you can add to that if you like. You might want to also have get some blocks and build some towers so that you've got a town close by. Or you might want to go to the recycle bin and get some boxes, and you could put some boxes and stack them instead of the blocks, and so that can be the city as well. What else could you do? Lots of things. You've got houses and more farms. Lots of fun. Anyway, hope you have a good time. I'm going to have a little play now. See ya.